friends, did you run out of toilet paper or masks? That's not what I'm here for. I'm going to give you other tips today about staying at home right now. I know it's hard, we are doing it too, but this is what I thought. Okay, let's use our time a little smarter. If you were thinking of selling or buying, actually selling, more like selling, buying too, but the selling part in the spring or the summer, this is your time actually to do those things that you've been wanting to do in your home. Why? Because now you're at home. So do you think the hardware stores are going to have those lines like Walmart or Costco or Sam's Club? I don't think so. So you can go find maybe, how about the outlets? Okay, so outlets, usually they can outdate your home. They can make it look maybe from the 80s or more older sometimes. So that is something, actually my husband changed ours. He's not an electrician, he's not a plumber, and he also changed faucets. So if you still have the faucets where you put your hands to wash your hands and you still touch the sink, that means that the little faucet is very tiny. It's a better idea if you get maybe a little longer one, a little higher one. Those look so much better. So right now the time is get it ready for the spring, for the summer. We will be okay. I hope so. I really hope so that we are all going to be okay and we can get your home in the market in the spring or the summer. So I know it's a time that you can also use to spend time with your kids. They are at home. They need to do their homework and still learn, because I know they're doing it online. But you can of course do puzzles, board games, and try to spend time with them, but also use this time. I mean, you will be at work and you won't have the time. Now you can do it, save that money and do it yourself. You're on YouTube, right? So you can actually go on YouTube and check how to, just type how to fix a faucet, a leaky faucet, or whatever things that you've been wanting to do in your home, do them now. It's a good time. Now another thing, it could be painting, changing those very bright colors that you have and you want to neutralize the colors. You can do that too. But there's other things that you can do. Let's say that maybe your budget is not that good and you want to buy. So how about getting a certification online? That could be too. I mean, you need to stay at home, so do an online certification and you'll get maybe to a better salary, a better job, I don't know. So let's be creative and try to use our times and get out of the social media and all the news. I mean, you need to stay updated with anything that we need to do or stuff that is going on, but you can also get busy and do those things. Now another thing that I wanted to tell you is, please, just as a person also that goes out there and shops for my family, because I do have 3 kids and a husband, let's all be nice to everybody and not over shop. I mean, really, how many toilet paper rolls do we need, right? So I just wanted to take that and put it out there for everybody. Stay healthy and take care, and of course like and subscribe, share it, and stay warm at home, because it's very rainy over here. Take care. Bye.